In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically replace text in Microsoft Word. Automatically replacing text in Word can save you a lot of time and help maintain consistency across your documents. This feature is especially useful when you need to correct repeated typos, update outdated terms, or standardize phrases without manually searching and replacing each instance. To get started, open your Word document and go to the File tab in the top left corner. From there, select Options at the bottom of the menu to open the Word Options window. In this window, choose the Proofing section from the left-hand menu, then click on the Autocorrect Options button. The Autocorrect dialog box will appear, showing two main fields labeled Replace and With. The Replace field is where you type the text you want Word to automatically find, such as a common typo or abbreviation. In the With field, type the text you want Word to insert instead. For example, you could type ADRS in the Replace field and 123 Main Street City Country in the With field. Once you've entered the text, click Add to save the replacement. You can create as many entries as needed, making it easy to automate multiple common corrections or phrases throughout your documents. After adding your entries, click OK to close the dialog box, and again OK to exit Word options. Now, whenever you type the shortcut or incorrect text you set in the Replace field, Word will automatically replace it with the text you defined. This happens in real time as you type, eliminating the need to manually fix repeated errors or insert the same phrases repeatedly. If you ever want to edit or remove an entry, simply return to the Autocorrect Options dialog box, select the entry from the list, and click Modify or Delete. This allows you to keep your automated replacements accurate and up to date. By using this autocorrect feature, you can streamline your workflow, reduce typing errors, and ensure your documents remain consistent without extra effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.